Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 40 SE. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. At the beginning, let's take a look at the app drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your internal storage, recent files, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps. Also you can go to your collections, save folder and internal storage. Then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, and then you can clean junk files from your smartphone. Next, you can go to menu and right here you will find recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.